Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.